think first of all, we embarked upon the Continua technology about 10 years ago when it was still in the nascent stage. And then we did a lot of homework and a lot of fact-finding of various other technologies which were competing with Continua. Finally, we decided on Continua for the big slab plants. As you know, tiles are getting bigger and bigger and of larger formats. The traditional pressing technology had limitations of the format, kind of sizes which we could do. It was necessary for us to move on to Continua technology to make sure we were able to provide the consumer the ever-growing needs of the discerning consumer of bigger, better, nicer looking tiles, and which were only possible with the large format technologies, and we chose Continua. So we're very happy we did that, and I think this would transform the way the consumer looks at our brand. So the Continua Plus can produce the traditional big slab GVT and also our new brand, which is CoverStone. CoverStone is competing with the traditional tiles. What we've been able to achieve with CoverStone is new finishes, new products, new colors, and within the new colors and finishes, certain technology which we've adapted within the Continua to make the product even better than what the traditional slab plants were doing. We're very successful with that and happy with the machinery and the technology supplied with Continua. We've just started the plant in October, but from what we did our research on, there were 4 or 5 technologies out there, out of which 3 really stood out of 3 different competitors, including Continua. I think the reason for us to choose Continua was a few. The service, I think SACMI has good service in India. So it's more like, you buy the best of products in India and if you don't get it serviced, it's of no use. So service was key for us to choose this product. The other reason to choose Continua versus the other was, I believe, the wastage on the Continua Plus is minimized versus the other technology and other competing technology. The third reason was flexibility. This particular technology just gives us more flexibility to move from one size to another, unlike a traditional press. With the traditional press, you're restricted to a size and then you have to change the mold for a new size. In the Continua, that's the big advantage. It's a big carpet which comes out and then you can cut the carpet into any size you want. So we're very happy as of now that we bought the Continua Plus technology. So we're a 50-plus-year-old brand and SACMI has been an old supplier to us. With the Continua, it only further improves our bond with SACMI. There's been a SACMI equipment at any given time in our plants. Now this particular technology is extremely path-breaking and innovative. Looking forward to new developments by SACMI. I think with the Continua's trend and the uptake of this particular kind of tiles in the market, it's only clear that in future we would be putting a few more Continuas fairly soon, and looking forward to new developments and new features within the Continua and new developments from SACMI.